Hi students, today we are starting our last topic of the chapter, that is virus, viroids and lichens. Virus did not get any place in classification because they are not exactly living organism. Living organisms have particular structure and viruses are non-cellular. Once they enter in the host body, they replicate themselves by killing the host. D.J. Ivanovsky invented that certain microbes caused diseases like TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus. M.W. Bejernik told that is the extract of infected plant of tobacco causes infection in healthy plants and called the fluid contagium vivum fluidium. This is infected living fluid. Stanley showed that virus could be crystallized and crystals consist of mostly by the proteins. Viruses contain genetic material also, that is DNA or RNA. No virus contain both DNA and RNA. Viruses that infect plant have single-stranded DNA and the viruses that infect animals have single-stranded DNA or RNA. The protein coat is known as capsid and is made up of small subunits known as capsomere which protect the nucleic acid. Now diseases caused by viruses in plants and humans, that is mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza, AIDS. Now here mumps, it is the infection of salivary gland. Smallpox, minute boils on the body. Herpes, they are also minute boils on the body but in waist region or underarm region, eyelid region, etc. Influenza is cough and cold and AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Now viroids, it was discovered by T.O. Diener. It is small than viruses, absence of protein coat, and they have presence of RNA with low molecular weight. Now lichen, it is mutual association between alga and fungi. The algal component is known as phycobiont and the fungal component is known as mycobiont. Alga prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter, absorb water and mineral nutrients for the algae. This association is known as lichen, and lichen never grow in polluted areas and they are good pollutant indicator. Means where pollution will be there in atmosphere, lichen indicate. Now this is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. This is the virus which is present in tobacco plant. You can see here RNA and these protein subunit, that is capsid, and these units are known as capsomere. This is outer wall, that is capsid, that is protein coat. This is bacteriophage. Now this is capsid, head, nucleic acid, collar sheath, this one. This is base plate. These are spikes and tail fiber. Now here you have to understand what it is. Till then viruses are outside in the atmosphere, they are inactive. Once they enter inside the body, suppose they are attaching with the bacteria, they become active. As they enter inside the body, they become active, and like this they form these spikes all around the bacteria. Now at this stage they are active for the body and they start duplicating. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.